Hello, Mithli here. Welcome back to me smithy. Spring's in the air, so doing some cleaning up. As you can see, the shop definitely needs it. Trying to get ready for some future videos and some projects that I'll be working on. I thought I'd take a moment today to show you a hack from my adventuring days, making fire logs so that you have a fire starter ready for fire when you're out in the wilds. So normally one would just take lint, fill up toilet paper roll with it, but it's a nice hack to help use up all the sawdust from the shop. We'll put some lint on one end, and then we fill it up with that sawdust. Apparently a few leaves too. And then put a little more lint on the other end as a nice cap. Use up some sawdust, use up some lint, and then you got a fire log to help get that fire going. And it works for the big ones too. And then you get even more sawdust. Shove it all in.
With all the leaves.
Hopefully the goals do not make too big of a mess as you do it, though. Since we are trying to clean up and make use of that dust we're making in the shop. That's all for today. Till next time. Remember, always hand-forged, dwarven tough. Adventure on.